Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how to download any video from Instagram. So I'm going to open my Instagram and I'm going to choose a video that I want to download, and what I'm going to need is the link. So I'll have to look for that option, copy link, and once copied, you're going to open your browser and write download Gram. I'm going to open the first link, and once there, you'll have to paste the link that you copied and click on download now. After the process, this web page is going to recognize the video, is going to show you a picture of it, and below it's the option of download. So if you open your upper menu, it's going to show you it's downloading right now. And that's the way how you can download any video from Instagram. Thank you.